the research that we will follow for our research. So the preliminaries, that's the final paper. When we do the final paper, and hopefully that would be in the third year. So the title page, actually the approval sheet, the approval sheet from the institution, for example, for us, it's RTR. We have the acknowledgement sheet, so we really need to acknowledge all the people that help us in our research. Wait a minute. Okay, so this is the final paper that we are going to see. We have the abstract. So the abstract is done after everything we're from the finish to the last portion of your paper. So, and then you have the table of contents. Actually, the abstract is constructed in a form that you have to there's a format, there's an international standard format for abstract, and it's called the scientific writing. And I was hoping I will be able to lecture to you about that when we go to the third year, because this is very important. Abstract is being made almost all throughout your medical. And there's the table of list of tables and list of figures that you are going to make, and the text. Next slide, please. Can you make it higher, Eliza? Can you make it higher? Okay. So our role on the first year is for the body or the text is to make the introduction up to the A number one. So we will be making letter A and letter B. So it's on the introduction, so the background of the study, the conceptual framework, the statement of the problem, hypothesis, significance of the study, scope and limitation of the study, definition of terms, and then for the hopefully for the whole of this first bi-monthly, and on the second bi-monthly it's the review of related as well. On the second bi-monthly is the review of related literature and studies. So there's also a format for that. That's why the topic that we were discussing I was very much concerned because with the review of related literature and studies, it has to have foreign literature, foreign studies, or local literature and local studies, and you need to make your synthesis and relevance in the studies. Why you are doing the study, which is in as a validation or as a local context for the foreign as well as the local studies that were done, okay, about the topic that you have. So take note of this because this type of format will be utilized all throughout the more or less. If you go to MMC, this is also the one that we are doing. So on your second year would be the methodology, and on your third year is the data gathering as well as the presentation, analysis, and interpretation of data and the such. And more or less on the third year, it's the whole paper presentation. That's why I'm very much concerned with the topic that you are doing and you were identifying, because it has to be, it has to be it was something that would last even after 2 or 3 years. Otherwise, you would be making another study. So in that sense, you will be making again from the start up to the finish. So that's why even if much as I would like you to study about COVID and such, because of the time frame that we are following, you might forget about those things already, or not you, but your respondents. So just remember the respondents would be, so wait a minute.
Oh, sige, sige. Di
Okay.
paliw ko na na Joey. Di na kay kasi natin. Mahal.
God, my enumerate, we are doing a research and we have problems in going inside Hilongos and Baybay City. They don't want people to go to their place. So it's difficult in the collection of data. So my researchers are calling me every now and then, and we cannot do otherwise but to follow the protocols. Okay. So Eliza, so that's it. Eliza, please email this to all, because this, as I've said, this is the one that we will follow. This is more or less the international standard and direct to the point. Okay, so let's go to the first lecture. We will have lectures more or less in the next session, so that you would be able to make the parts of the introduction. Next presentation, please, Eliza. Still 100. Still we are 100. How many? 105, 107. So how many are still not out inside the class? 5 na lang? 112, di ba? Okay. Okay, let's go.
Opening na doc the PowerPoint.
Okay, understanding the statement of the problem. Let's go there. Kapoy cellphone pag-lecture. My laptop is already full of documents. It does not want to follow me anymore. Okay. Okay. So let's go to the understanding of the problem. Ingita daw ako't mga naunghit mga estudyante. Wala pa man ako ni magpakakita. Sige, while Eliza is preparing for the PowerPoint. Minakaturog na. Alas 7 pala kasi. Very good. You have all the videos. Plus 5 it may video. Minus 10 it waray. Okay. Wala, di rin ako nakita at iba. Okay. So we'll go now to the understanding. Oh, no, not this one yet. The other one, Liza. The first PowerPoint. Not this one yet. The
Okay,
other
doc.
one, Eliza. Okay. And then after that one is that one already. So hinot mga you have class after me at 8 o'clock?
No po, doc.
No? Very good. So pwede kita magbutila ng extension. Ay, my God. Life in the COVID. What do you think about the COVID? Do you like it? You don't like it? Maupay diri. Kau
Dere,
urit
doc.
Dere do.
lagi no.
Dere,
Dere.
doc.
Dere po.
Actually, the one handling the COVID are not the medical practitioners, the politicians. The politicians are the one handling. They're